When the world outside experiences extreme crises, natural disasters, or wars, our ultimate sense of safety completely shatters. Our home, the one place designed to be our secure sanctuary, suddenly feels deeply vulnerable to outside dangers. This constant state of fear completely destroys our daily routines, putting our minds and bodies under massive stress. You might experience chronic anxiety, severe depression, sudden headaches, or even digestive issues due to this overwhelming pressure. But you cannot let panic win. You must take intentional actions to protect your family's mental and physical health. The first step to mental calmness is physical readiness. Start by accepting the reality of the situation logically. Sit down with your family and create a clear emergency plan. Knowing what to do instantly reduces anxiety. Prepare an emergency survival bag and keep it right by the door. This simple act provides huge psychological relief. Always keep your smartphone fully charged, and invest in backup power banks to ensure you stay connected to loved ones. Prepare for sudden power outages. Keep flashlights and battery-powered lamps easily accessible in every room of your house. Acknowledge what you can control and what you cannot. Stop wasting mental energy on impossible worst-case scenarios. Next, build a strong support network. Get to know your neighbors and create an invisible community safety net. In times of absolute chaos, volunteering to help others is a scientifically proven way to reduce your own trauma. Helping your community restores a powerful feeling of control and replaces helplessness with a profound sense of purpose. Now, look at your physical living space. Chaos in your room creates immediate chaos in your highly stressed mind. Start decluttering your home. A clean, organized space subconsciously tells your brain that you are safe and in control. Establish a strict, comforting daily routine. Simple habits like eating dinner at the exact same time provide emotional stability. Create a dedicated safe corner in your house. Fill it with soft lighting, comfortable blankets, and calming elements. This corner becomes a physical sanctuary where any family member can retreat when the outside noise becomes too loud. In tight spaces under high pressure, arguments will happen. You must resolve these conflicts with extreme patience and empathy. Practice open communication. Let your children and partner express their deepest fears without judging them or minimizing their feelings. One of the biggest threats to your mental health is your phone. Doom scrolling through tragic news destroys your peace. Set strict limits on your news consumption. Check reliable sources only once or twice a day, then disconnect completely. Dedicate at least 10 minutes a day to practicing mindful breathing, quiet meditation, or even light physical stretching indoors. Physical movement, even inside a small room, effectively releases the built-up stress hormones trapped inside your nervous system. Celebrate small daily victories. In the middle of a crisis, just getting through the day is a massive achievement. Do not feel guilty for finding moments of joy. Laughter is a highly effective shield against deep collective trauma. Sharing a joke or a fun game with your family creates powerful moments of hope and emotional resilience. Finally, you must protect your sleep at all costs. Deep sleep is your strongest weapon against chronic psychological stress. A tired brain cannot process trauma. Make sure your bedroom is as dark, quiet, and comfortable as absolutely possible. Turn off all glowing screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light and bad news ruin sleep. Instead, read a physical book, listen to calming music, or write your thoughts in a private journal before sleeping. Crises are terrifying, but human beings are incredibly adaptable. True resilience is built slowly from the inside out. When you know better, you do better. Protect your peace, stay strong, and deeply support the people around you. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more strategies to overcome life's hardest emotional challenges.